stop eating your potatoes the normal way? If no, then good for you. But if yes, okay, this is the perfect video for that. And we're making fries. Mix all the ingredients together, starting with garlic. Squeezing it with some kind of tool. Now put whatever spices you like. Now put your Italian seasoning, cornstarch, and flour. Now we're gonna mix it with water. Ingredient: salt. Right now might not look as much, but soon it will be. Now put the potatoes in. Now it's ready to be fried, to become fries. So then you gotta get some oil and put it in a pan for it to get hot. And then put your potatoes into the hot oil, and then you get this, and then you're all set.